Let's learn how to play pyramid. Pyramid is a fun math game to practice addition math facts for the number 10. The game can be played by two players. Before we begin, remove all the face cards such as King, Queen, Jack, Jill, and Ace. Also remove the jokers and the unicorn cards. The game is played with the cards numbered 1 through 10 and the action cards. Shuffle the deck and arrange 21 cards in a pyramid of 6 rows with cards overlapping the cards in the previous row. Remaining cards form the draw pile. Check if any two of the uncovered cards adds up to a 10. Take turns removing them from the pyramid and adding them to the discard pile. If an action card is uncovered and needs to be moved, perform the action and move the action card to the discard pile. If you cannot find two uncovered cards which add up to a 10, draw a card from the draw pile. Take turns drawing cards from the draw pile till you find a number which adds up to 10 from the uncovered cards in the pyramid. If you draw an action card on your turn, perform the action and discard the card. Play moves to the next player. Continue taking turns to make tens. If the draw pile is empty, flip it over and continue play. Game ends when all the cards in the pyramid are removed.